How to delete apps on Samsung phone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can delete applications on your Samsung phone. Well, the process itself is actually relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up your Android device, right? Open up your log. Now to uninstall, you have several ways. The first is to simply from the app icon, what you can do is you can tap and hold on the app icon here on your app page. Then you can go ahead and tap on uninstall and it'll ask you whether you wish to uninstall. You can tap on OK and it'll uninstall it. The second is to simply go into settings, and once under settings you can go into apps. Under apps you can look in for the particular apps that you would like to uninstall, right? For example, I would like to uninstall here this application. Then down below I'll find the option to force stop, right? So you can first force stop it, then you can go ahead and uninstall it. So this is how you can remove the application or uninstall apps on Samsung device. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.